Hey, just welcome back to the Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cream right here, and pretty much what this is a new product here that I got from a brand called Filterbaby. You probably saw my other video of the shower head already, but this time we have another one here. So let me show you guys what we did again. So when I bought it from them, they do give you guys one of these accessories for you guys to install it for different size heads for your shower sink head. But this one is for the filter for your sink. You can see this is what the product looks like here. So they have these available for different color, but this is the one that we got here. It should allow you guys to use for most sinks. So this one is different than the other one I'm currently using. So this one I actually bought two of them here. Let me show you guys what the other one looks like here, or what else we did get. So they did give me one of these as well. So this one is, put this one side here. They give you guys one of these accessories here for you guys to use, and another one here. So two of the same thing here. And they also give me one of these accessories here to use as well. So it says Filterbaby on there. I forgot what this was for. Maybe for like the headband or something for you guys to use. And then maybe this is for your wrist or something for you guys to use there, I think. And for this box that we have here, let's take it out, see what we did get. So this one right here, the packaging looks like this one here. And when you guys open it up, this is what the product looks like inside. So what you guys saw here is actually the same thing that you guys get here for different packaging here. So this is what the product looks like here when you guys do take it out. And then when you guys open up the top part here, which is going to be the same thing for the other one that you just saw, they give you guys all these different heads for you guys to use. So depending on what kind of sink you guys do use, they should have the different heads available here for you guys to use, and they have the user manual on the bottom. So they have all of these here. And on the bottom, they also have some more stuff as well. Once I do take that part out, you can see there's more stuff right there for different heads for you guys to use for installing it. So if I take this one out as well, you guys can see these are the different heads accessories for you guys to use. And then this one as well that you saw. So use whichever one is right for your sink head when you guys do set up and use it. Pretty cool. And yeah, that's pretty much everything in terms of what we do get right here. So let's take a look at this product here. So when you guys do take it out, this is what it looks like. You guys can definitely use different colors if you guys want. So this one, let me see how you guys actually use this. So if you guys turn this part here on top, you guys can loosen it up. And it looks like this one right here should be the filter. So you can twist this part right here, and then the filter is inside. So this is what the filter looks like here. And then for this part here, I don't think you guys can take this part out. So this is probably the one that you guys need to replace and change based on what I can see so far. And turn it to lock it back in here. Only fits one way. All right. And then put it back inside here. Slowly close it up by turning it. Make sure it's fully secure and tight. That one's good there. And then this part right here. This part right here, you guys can turn it. So this one is another part of the filter here that you guys can use. But I think how it works is that you guys want to peel off the little sticker here. And that will create the opening that you guys need. So when you guys close it back up right here, that will be where the water will come out from right there. So water comes out right here through the filter, and then the clean water will come out from the bottom, as you guys can see right here. And I believe how this works is that you guys have the option to use this part right here to turn it. So you guys can have the water come out from this way here or this one here. And yeah, I think that's pretty much everything in terms of what you guys get right here. Very cool little product here. So I think the only way to really see how it works and when it actually works or not is to set it up and give it a try. So I want to show you guys what I'm currently using right now first before we actually install this one here and give this a try. So let's go take a look and see what my current one looks like, and we'll set this up and see when it actually works or not when we do use it. All right, so here is the current one that I currently have set up. So you guys can see right here, this is from a brand I believe called Water Doctor or Water Drop. I think Water Doctor. So it has the filter built inside right here that is getting a little bit yellow for this one. My current one, the other one that I'm using, that one turned really brown or dark color, so I threw it away already. So the filter, I believe you guys will change it like a few months after using it. But pretty much once it gets really dark or brown, that's when I do change the unit. So if I do turn it on, works pretty well when you guys do then see. It has a pretty high pressure and filter the water, which is nice. And it just screws on right here very easily, so it makes it very easy, especially when I'm going on trips and stuff, to bring this along with me and just like filter the water, especially when it doesn't work. If it doesn't work to certain sinks and stuff, I will need to use an adapter. But yeah, that's pretty much what the product looks like here for the one that I've been using. So I'm gonna install a new one and show you guys how it works. So I need to figure out which head to use when I do install it. But you guys pretty much want to screw on each one of the heads to put it on here like that. So I just put on one of the heads on here. So I just unscrew it. Let me show you guys what I mean. So you just find one of the heads that fits on here and just put it on here and just screw it on. And then you guys can put it on there and start using it just like that. So I'm going to try each one of the heads and then we'll just screw it on and see what actually works. So the way I normally like to do it is by using each one of the heads and just put it on here and see whether or not it fits. If it fits, then that's the one that's ready for you guys to use. So just try to screw it on first. If it screws on, then that means it fits, and that's the head that you guys want to use. So it does fit eventually. So I want to put this in here and then screw it on again. So I want to put it on top right here just like that. And then just screw it back on right here for the cap or the cover here. And then once you guys do that, then you guys can screw it on. So I'm going to screw it on and then show you guys what it looks like afterward, because if I use one hand it's a little bit harder. Alright, so we got it all set up and this is what the product looks like on here. So let's give this a try, turn it on and see what actually works. So see how the water kind of goes through right there. And then the filter water pretty much goes through right there. The water pressure is decent. I wouldn't say it's like very high compared to the one that you guys saw from the other brand that we got right there. And if you guys want to go like this, they change the water to this side right here. But either way, the water goes through inside the system and it filters right here. So that way the water comes out right here. But it does seem like when we do push it, the water will come directly from here. So if you guys want the regular water, then it will come out from right here, which is not going to be filtered, but the water pressure is a little bit higher. But if you guys want filter water, they have to change it to the other one here, and that way the water will be filtered through right here. You guys can see it actually being filtered on there, so that's pretty cool. So in terms of the water pressure, it's decent, but it's not going to be very high quality or very high pressure, but it definitely does work when you guys do use it and see. So depending on your preference, if you guys want something that's more higher pressure or something that's less pressure, that's up to you guys. But keep in mind when you guys look at it as well, it is a little bit more bulkier for the unit. And for the water pressure, obviously you can control it right here just by turning like that. If you guys want more higher pressure or less pressure, just do that. And keep in mind that because of how bulky this product is here, it might get in the way of your switch when you guys do turn like this as well. So that's another issue there. You'll see how the handle right here is kind of getting in the way. It won't be any issue for this one, but it'll be an issue for this one here. So that's kind of the little design flaw right there. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that's on this product here. Definitely seems like it does work for what you guys do get. Really cool little product overall here. And I need to figure out how I can fix that issue where the handle is kind of getting in the way right there. But other than that, the overall product itself seems pretty nice. I feel like I'll probably still stick to that one for the other product right here, just because of how it's getting in the way there, but who knows, we'll see. Welcome back, guys. So I've been seeing for the product, it definitely does work. The water pressure on this one right here doesn't seem like it's as strong compared to the one I'm currently using, but at least you can see that it actually does work when you guys do use it. So it really will filter out the water and everything to be clean when we do use the product. And the other thing that I do want to mention is that this one, it is a lot more bulkier than the other one. So if you guys don't mind that, then I think it's actually really nice and really worth it for what you guys do get for this product. But if you guys do mind like the water pressure not being as strong, and also mind the fact of how like the product is a little bit more bulkier than the other one that you currently see that I have, then you probably want to invest in the other one that I show you guys there. If you guys don't mind any of that and you want to make sure the water is clean, then you definitely want to go and invest in one of these here. Really nice in terms of what you guys do get and see. Now, in terms of how well does it work for a long period of time, I'll probably have to use it for a little bit and see how it does work. In terms of my feedback for the other one that you guys saw that I'm currently using for that one, it's been working pretty well. But after prolonged use, especially when you guys use the hot water and stuff, it starts to, you guys can see like the filters start to change different colors, number one. And number two, I start to have issues where the water starts spraying all over the place because of the way how they use the plate for the bottom part for the spraying plate where the water comes out. I think it starts to get dirty and stuff, or minerals get stuck on there. I'm not sure what the reason is. but it starts creating like the water starts going all over the place and doesn't go through the hose straight. So I think that's one of the issues of having one of those where the water pressure is very strong and it just creates a lot of water at the same time, where it might just cause damage to the spraying plate part. So just keep that in mind. But based on what we can see from both products, both of them does work pretty well. If I have to be honest, if I want cleaner water, I think this one's more worth it. But I want something that's a little bit more ideal and compact to use, especially when I'm traveling out and about, and something that's not as bulky. I do prefer the other one because, like I mentioned, because this one is bulky, and for people who maybe don't have a higher sink or the sink is not big enough, then you don't have a lot of space to use or work with. So it does take up a lot of space, so just keep that in mind. So if I have to rank this one versus the other one, I do prefer the other one a little bit more. Even though this one probably cleans a little better, it is a lot more bulkier, but it does the job better for this one here. And then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have no one of these, then obviously save your money for something else that actually do need.